Old people always tell you, time longer than rope. And the same bed that you spread up are the same one you're going to lay down in. You have some persons that will go to the end of the world to destroy a person's life, to mess up your reputation, to assassinate your character, to tear your family apart, mess up your marriage, your ministry, your business, everything positive around you they try to destroy for their own personal gain and laughter. But let me tell you, you laugh now, but you will cry later. Because the same seed that you sow is the same fruit that you're going to reap. You ever see some people that things used to go on for them back in the past, but because of their wickedness and how them used to treat people and how them used to carry on, all of a sudden after a season them fall on them face. Let me tell you, pastor could have prayed for you till night come, until you get to that point where you repent and ask God to have mercy on you for the many families, the many individuals that you have caused to cry and has caused to suffer because of your own wickedness. Let me tell you, it's your time now. Time has caught up back with you because you think it was always gonna be sweet, but it's now your time to face your judgment and your bitterness. Let this be a warning. Do good and good will follow you. You don't have to do people bad in your life. Just stay in your own lane. Focus on you with God being your guide and your shield. Let me tell you, you will accomplish just about anything. You don't have to tear down nobody if you make it, man. Just trust God, do the right thing, and you will make it. Listen to me. Wise words.